year, at this time of the year, when the leaves start changing color, I get a visit from my nieces. I don't know if they like me or they missed me, or they visit me to make them this amazing, colorful, tasty salad. Welcome to Let's Cook-O-Lit, everyone, and today I'm going to share with you my favorite salad I always make in the fall. But you don't have to wait till fall to make this salad. Amazing, colorful, tasty salad with a special dressing. You can make it any time of the year. Now, let me begin toasting the sliced almond. Heat on medium. Little bit olive oil. Sliced almond. As soon as they start turning brown, don't stop mixing. And I'm not going to color all of them. I'm just gonna keep some a little white side. Spread them a little bit. So we want it to cool down. Now, in the meantime, let's start chopping and slicing our vegetable. I'm gonna begin with this lovely, colorful cherry tomatoes, and they're small enough, so all what we need, just slice them in half. Tomatoes are sliced. Let me move this tray here, and I'm gonna put the arugula and the spinach in the bowl first. I'm using baby arugula and spinach. I'm gonna add a few mint leaves. Just break them into small pieces. Tomatoes in. 4 colors bell pepper, thinly sliced. And if you're planning to practice on a knife skill, this is the best recipe for you. Let's continue with the cucumber. Cucumber sliced in half. Green onion, Asian style, sliced. Yes, I was munching on those. Toasted almond. We're gonna put it on top. Dry cranberry. And now the secret of this salad is the dressing. So I have here fresh thyme. Anyway, the ingredients and the measurement will be in the description box down below. Now we're gonna give it a little chop. Perfect. All go in a small bowl. Pomegranate molasses. A little bit of lemon juice. Olive oil. Salt and pepper to your taste. Mix it very well. Now you pour everything on top. Let's mix them all together. Let me use both spoons. So pretty much you mix it, you let it rest for 5 minutes, you mix it again, and then ready to serve. Colorful, tasty, healthy, family's favorite fall salad just for you to enjoy.